Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another product empties video. This is gonna be a July month product empties video. Again, I managed to empty out a lot of products. I'm not even kidding. Like this is overflowing. I have like big bottles and as usual, I'm gonna let you guys know whether I'm gonna repurchase any item or not. Without now any further ado, let's quickly begin with the video. I have a bunch of skincare, body care, hair care, and I also have quite number of makeup going on. First product is gonna be the body lotion. All the bottles are very goopy. I'm really sorry, they are in a very bad condition. So the first one is the Chemist at Play body lotion. This is the AHA body lotion. You guys already know that I always keep two body lotions, just like how I keep two body washes. The one is going to be with actives and the other one is going to be without the actives. So this one is with the actives. This I like to use it not every day, maybe thrice a week. So this is the Chemist at Play AHA body lotion. This says for daily use and has 5% natural AHA plus niacinamide plus shea butter. This does not have any fragrance. For all you people who love fragrances in the body care just like me, they're not going to enjoy much using this body lotion. Same thing happened with me also. This is a good body lotion. As I told you guys before also, I don't have much of body acne, so I cannot comment whether it works on acne or not. But sometimes I do get this roughy bumps here and there, maybe probably in my arms or over my back, upper back. So I do like to use this. Maybe sometimes in thighs I do get some bump because of shaving. Packaging and all is really nice. I really like it. It is all, the company name is also embossed in here. I really like the packaging. Again, it comes in 236 ml, and I picked up this body lotion for about 300 or 274 rupees. However, the MRP is 399. You, if I have any usage left, I don't think I do have any usage. So it does blend out nicely, doesn't leave your skin any chip or anything. So if you guys have been lookout for a good body lotion with active, so I would suggest please do go and pick it up. Chemist at Play are like doing a good job. They have good duo roll-ons and they have released like a number of fragrances in their duo roll-ons. I'm yet to try it, but for me personally, I'm not sure whether I'm gonna pick up the same variant because again, it doesn't have fragrance. Anything that doesn't have fragrance doesn't really, I mean, in body care I really need super duper fragrance. Without fragrance बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So for that reason I think I'm not gonna purchase this, or maybe I'll purchase this if I want a active body lotion. So that's my first pick. Body care product is the shower gel. This is from the Body Wise 1% salicylic acid body wash. You guys know, I think I've already repurchased this and I've already started using it. I think I showed this in my Amazon haul and I got it on a very good discount. However, the MRP is 699. This is my favorite body wash of all times because this has fragrance. So it has 1% salicylic acid. It has like my minute beads into it, if you guys can see. इसमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं है, पंप आउट भी नहीं हो रहा है, बाहर भी नहीं आ रहा है. इसमें मैंने पानी डाल के पूरा यूज किया तो ये प्रॉब्लली थोड़ा पानी बचा है अंदर. But if you guys can see, it has like minute beads into it. It has salicylic acid. It has very good aqua fragrance also. I love showering and using this product. So yeah, the next body care product is none other than the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramel body lotion. For the longest time, you guys know that I keep switching my body wash and body lotion because there's so many out there. Every new launch, like I like to try it out, and बहुत कम time ऐसा होता है कि I'm repurchasing the same body wash and the same body lotion. But I think I've come to peace with these two products. I mean, this I'm like constantly repurchasing, and this one, like, इसको छोड़ के मैं और कोई body lotion try ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. I don't want to try also. This is the only body lotion that I'm gonna stick to for like good, I don't know till when, but I've already raved enough about this. इसमें भी कुछ बचा नहीं है तो let me, नहीं इसमें कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. Let me see if I have something. देखो गाइज, आई हैव लाइक कम्प्लीटली यूज्ड इट. मैं बहुत चिंदी हूँ, मैं कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा वेस्ट नहीं करती हूँ. बट या, I really love the body lotion for its fragrance, for the spreadability. I mean, इसमें बहुत कुछ कुछ body lotions ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ thick होते हैं, तो they really मतलब you really need to massage, take your time and massage the entire body. And sometimes thick moisturizer जो होते हैं ना, वो काफी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी लगता है. इसका मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है कि you just need a very small quantity and the spreadability is very good. Like आप थोड़ा सा भी इतना इतना प्रोडक्ट भी लेंगे ना पाम में, आपको दोनों आर्म्स में मैं उसको पूरा मसाज कर देती हूँ, एंड इट लाइक वर्क्स वेरी वेल. प्लस द फ्रेग्रेंस, ओ माय गॉड, इसके बारे में मैं कितना ही बोलूं. आई मीन इट्स लाइक कमी पड़ने वाला. एंड आई ऑलरेडी परचेज दिस, लाइक यू guys can see. This is a fresh pack. मैंने इसका सील भी अभी तक ओपन नहीं किया, if you guys can see. So that's much I love this product. So this goes into my bin and this goes into my vanity. I think that's about all the body care products that I have. अगर कुछ और निकला तो मैं बाद में आपको शो कर दूंगी. Now let's go into the hair care product. The hair care product, the first hair care product that I have emptied out is the Bee Blunt Hot Shot Hold Spray for hair styling. So this is also my OG favorite product. I keep repurchasing. इसको भी मैंने already repurchase कर रखा है, वो मैंने already vanity में रखा हुआ है. इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बाकी है अभी तक, if you guys can hear, but ये pump out हो नहीं रहा है for some reason. I don't know. ये pump out हो नहीं रहा है. Probably like you have to keep your this thing straight or something like that. I don't know. ये मैंने काफी टाइम पहले ही repurchase कर रखा था, because this I get Bee Blunt products. I get, as you guys already know, Bee Blunt के products मैं buy one get one पे हमेशा लेती हूँ, तो मैंने काफी टाइम पहले ही खरीद के रखा है. This however is priced at 599 rupees. It's a huge quantity. You get about 300 ml. That is like amazing. Why I like this hot shot hold spray is because it does not make your hair super crunchy as opposed to the regular hairspray that you get. It doesn't make your hair super crunchy or frizzy. It also comes with a finishing setting spray. So I would suggest first use the Bee Blunt heat protectant, and then after you curl or you do your hair styling, you spray this all over, and then at the final touch you spray the finishing hair mist that kind of adds a glowing layer to it, so that way your hair absolutely doesn't look frizzy or doesn't look super crunchy. But however, I would suggest that whatever styling products that you're using, make sure that you wash your hair the same day. At least that's what I do. I don't let these products sit on my hair for like even a day, even a night. So अगर मैं morning में या evening में कभी भी use कर रही हूँ, तो I make sure like that before I sleep I shower my hair. I don't let it sit for two reasons. A, it can cause any build up in your scalp, or can cause dryness and dandruff or flakiness. And B, it's not good for your skin, your face skin as well, because अगर आप hair care product लेके pillow में सोते हैं, तो that gets transferred on the pillow, and then it eventually gets transferred on your cheeks, and you get the acne, bumpy acne and everything on your cheeks. So for that reason, I don't let these products sit on my hair even for a night. I make sure that I wash my hair. But this is a super good product. If you guys haven't looked out for a good fixing spray, I think you guys can try this out. However, I would like to also mention that it's not super, the hold is not super tight, because it's obvious that अगर कोई product काफी tight hold कर रहा है आपके curls को, it's gonna make your hair frizzy and crunchy. इसको मैं लगा के गई हूँ, तो मेरे पूरे पार्टी में 4-5 आवर्स तक अच्छा होल्ड करता है कर्ल, बट इट्स नॉट like the curls are not that tight. I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say, but nevertheless I'm gonna like continue using this product. This is my favorite of all. So that's that. Then the next hair care product is from Wish Care brand. This is the shampoo that I've emptied out, and I think I have their booster serum as well. So yeah, this is the Wish Care Triple Bond Repair Shampoo and the Wish Care Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum. So let's take this two together. So this is the product, and it was pretty good, I must say. This is a very small quantity. That's the only bummer I feel. This is for 250 ml and the conditioner is for 100 ml. They say it's booster serum, but ये conditioner ही है. Like after washing, like dampen hair पे आपको लगाना है, 5 मिनट के बाद आपको wash करना है. So I would say it's like a conditioner, and it was very what you get, the running consistency as opposed to hair masks, which are usually thicker. It has some good ingredients like 5% amino peptide repair complex, PCA, I don't know what it is. It has keratin and sea kale. It says it repairs damaged, dry and frizzy hair, and इसमें भी वही सब same ingredients हैं. So what I like is I like the smell of this conditioner. It's really good. It's like salon में जो professional smells आते हैं ना, ये वैसा smell करता है. And the good thing is your hair smells good after washing as well. Like the next day also your hair smells good. Uh, like you guys already know, I'm in love with the minimalist Balic Bond Repair hair care range. So I'm always on a lookout for something like this, like which has the bond repair term and which has this peptide, collagen, etc. I'm always on the lookout for that. Right now I'm trying the plum hair care range, the coconut variant one. It also has like amino peptides, etc. मिनिमलिस्ट का तो है ही, तो इसलिए मैंने विशकेयर का भी ट्राई किया. ये दोनों भी काफी अच्छा मेरे ड्राई फ्रिजी हेयर पे काम किया है. Right now I'm not repurchasing this because I already have like the plum one and the minimalist one, so probably I'm not repurchasing now. But once I run out them, I'll see which one I have to pick. Probably I'll like keep repurchasing this amongst those three because मुझे तीनों भी काफी अच्छा लगा. So yeah, and this I would like to wash my hair with this, like the peptide or the Malik Bond Repair one. I like to wash my hair with those shampoo like every 2 times a week. I wash my hair almost every day because of my work, and I work out every day, and whatever for like infection prevention, etc. I like to wash my hair every day. I know I'm not saying you should wash your hair every day, but I wash my hair every day. So I like to use these kind of hair care range every 2 times a week, and a cleansing shampoo once a week, and a normal shampoo the rest of the week. So that's how I like to use it, and this is a very good hair care range. It smells heavenly. Only problem is the tube is very small. This though, it's just 100 ml. So yeah, think about the quantity also before you buy. So that's that. Oh my god, hair care मैंने काफी ज्यादा empty out किया है. Hair care product is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Moisture blah blah blah. The basically the hyaluronic acid इनका जो conditioner है वो है ये. So you guys know I've already repurchased this. This is an amazing hair care range by L'Oreal. However, I don't think this is like sulfate or paraben free क्योंकि इनका ये professional range में से नहीं है. I'm sure this has like paraben and sulfates. I really don't care. बाकी जो मैंने products देखा है उसमें sulfate parabens नहीं है. But I really don't care about all those things. It makes my hair super soft. Like मेरा dry frizzy hair के लिए it works. So I really don't care what ingredients they have put in. It makes my hair super soft. जब मेरे पास बिल्कुल time नहीं रहता है तो मैं usually shampoo करके I drain out all the water, squeeze out all the water, and I put a hair mask or hair conditioner, let it sit for like 5 to 7 minutes. लेकिन जब मेरे पास time नहीं होता, this is the one I reach for क्योंकि ये 30 seconds to 1 minute में मेरा hair soft कर देता है. So whenever I don't have time, this is what hair care range I reach to. So मेरे bathroom में like काफी variety of hair care, shampoo, face wash, body care रहते हैं. So I keep switching on, switching off. This is the one that I reach for when I don't have time. It makes my hair super soft and manageable. So that's that. Okay, I do have one deodorant. This is the Nivea Fresh Natural one. I think ये एक staple product है मेरे हर product empties में आने वाला है. So this is the Nivea Fresh Natural 0% alcohol. So that's that. You guys already know I've raved a lot about this, तो मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने नहीं वाली हूँ. So that's that. Then I have, let's move on to skincare. I have like face wash and makeup remover. So the first skincare is the salicylamide anti-acne face wash from Dermaco. So I finished out this face wash, and this has like 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide. Pretty good face wash. However, I have few things to say about the serum, but that we're gonna talk in separate video, not this video. For this video, if you guys have been looking out for a combination of salicylic and niacinamide face wash, I think you can pick this up. This is a very good whenever you have acne. However, I would suggest that don't use your actives every day. So don't use this face wash AM, PM every day. You're gonna end up damaging your skin barrier. So again, these sort of active face wash, I like to use it probably once in a couple of days, like in my morning skincare routine. So it's 80 ml, it's Dermaco. There are a lot of coupon codes available. You can pick this up in any website or on their official website. So I think it's a good decent face wash. Then I have like two makeup remover. The first one is the Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm. ये मेरे product regret में आया था. Again, I stick to it. I really okay. I'm messing this up. Okay, I'm messing this up क्योंकि इसका cap break हो गया और ये पूरा leak हो रहा है. Anyways, this is the 0.1% visible oil and 1% oat oil. I've already spoken about this makeup cleansing balm a lot. I'm not gonna bore you guys again. If I've mentioned this in my product regress video, if you guys haven't watched that video, it's a very useful video. Please go and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link of that video in the description box below. This is a strict no for me. I'm not gonna buy this product again. It stings my eye, it burns my eyes out, it leaves oil residue. I absolutely hated this cleansing balm. So I'm not going to repurchase. That's that. It's straight away go. I finished it. However, I finished it because as you guys know, I don't throw any products. So I finished it, but I'm not going to repurchase definitely. Then my favorite cleansing balm or a makeup remover is this Mars one. This is the peach makeup remover. I have finished it completely. I really like the sorry. I really like the packaging. It's very good. And this is what I have been using it whenever I'm traveling. So because it's super travel friendly, it comes in plastic tube. Iska tube kafi, iska packaging kafi secure hai, and it removes my waterproof mascara as well. So this is what I have been carrying it whenever I'm traveling. Very nice makeup remover. It's a gel makeup remover. If you guys are oily combination, or I would say sensitive skin in general, you guys can definitely check this out because it's a gel consistency. It does not leave any oil residue whatsoever और बहुत ही ज़्यादा gentle simple face wash से भी इसका पूरा makeup निकल जाता है. So I really like this for that reason, and I've already purchased this. If you guys don't know, मेरे कोई hauls में मैंने इसको feature किया था. I've already purchased and I've already traveled with it to my Kerala trip. It worked beautifully. So that's that. Skincare product is the Neutrogena moisturizer. This is the Hydro Boost water gel. It's a tiny variant. I had gotten this to test it out. I guess this was just a 15-gram product and it cost for 450. Obviously, I would have picked up in the sale, and there were like so many hype about this water boost like back in those days that it's a dupe for Clinique moisture. So that's the reason I picked up. Plus, I really love the packaging. It's like very nice. They have a double tube and it's very beautiful. The reason uh, it's the reason why I'm not gonna repurchase. थोड़ा बचा है शायद. Let me give you a swatch. Yeah, इतना बचा है, मैंने इसको use नहीं किया शायद. So it's like water. I really love the consistency. I would say oily skin people are just gonna love it. It's like water gel. It absorbs into the skin very nicely, leaves your skin like supple and everything. But the only problem why I didn't like it and probably wouldn't repurchase is because it has a lot of fragrance. So sensitive skin के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा हो सकता है. The fragrance is extreme. I mean, it's like straight up perfume on the skin. So I'm not sure whether it's safe or not. And also, I think I did break out a little bit whenever I used it. It was like sometimes I broke out, sometimes I didn't. So I'm not gonna take a risk and repurchase this. So sadly, I'm not gonna repurchase, and sadly, this product didn't work out for me. And let's move on to the next product. I have like two lip balms. Again, both the lip balms packaging sucks. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rose Lips. I've used this and enjoyed this. It's good, haha. I've used this and enjoyed this product to bits. It had a like pinkish color, but it did not leave any tint. It was just the lip balm ka color was little slightly pinkish. And oh my god, this was one of my favorite lip balm. But sadly, I'm not going to repurchase only because of the packaging. I also did a short on products that I love but hate the packaging. If you guys haven't checked out, please go and check it out. सो ये कभी भी अच्छे से बंद नहीं करती हूँ मैं, कभी खोलना मुश्किल होता है. द पैकेजिंग रियली सक्स एंड आई यूज्ड टू यूज इट एज अ लिप बाम, आई यूज्ड टू यूज इट एज अ लिप मास्क और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से मेरे लिप्स को मॉइस्चराइज करता था. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम गोना लेट इट गो. क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, 17 ग्राम का क्वांटिटी, एंड इट लास्टेड मी फॉर मंथ्स. सो दोज हु आर इन अ budget can definitely try it out, but if you don't mind the packaging, I think you can definitely try it. It's a very very good close alternative of Laneige lip mask. And the another lip balm that I finished is the Swiss Beauty color changing gel lip balm, and this is in the shade 01. So again, ये मेरे products that I love but hate the packaging में मैंने feature किया था. You guys can see I've finished it entirely, but इसका packaging बहुत ही ज़्यादा घटिया है, बहुत ही cheap packaging है. Swiss Beauty, I don't know why. थोड़ा सा इसमें बचा है. Let me show you my. Okay, yes, ऐसा swatch नहीं हो सकता. Let me scoop out a little bit of product. Yeah. So this is the lip balm, and within some time you'll see this leaves a stain and it lasts for a longer period of time. So it also used to mask my lip, like pigmented lip. The two problems are the packaging, and the another one is its smell. It smells a little artificially, so I'm not a huge fan of the smell, but barring it, it did moisturize my lip, and as well it left a stain behind after the lip balm was removed, and your lips didn't feel any dry. So for that reason I liked it, and I finished it. The quantity is काफी अच्छा था, 3.8 grams something, but because of the packaging I'm not going to repurchase it. Product is two lipsticks that I've finished out. This is the, okay, let's talk about this lipstick. This is the Love Earth lipstick, and you guys can see इसमें कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है because मैंने इसको काफी टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ और इसका सारा ब्रांडिंग वैंडिंग सब चला गया. But this is the Love Earth lipstick, and this is in the full size. This is the full size, and this is in the shade Espresso Martini. So I had initially tried out the shade Irish Coffee, which is like a super uh, hyped up shade and super running shade, but however I did not like that shade because it looked very grungy. These lipsticks do oxidize and change their color. They don't change the color, they kind of become darker after application. So I did not like that color. It was super grungy, so I gave it to my friend, and I purchased another shade because I thought I wanted a lighter shade, और मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही lighter shade ले लिया. Espresso Martini kind of washed out on me completely, so I couldn't use this shade as on its own. But guys, the formula of these lipsticks are supremely good. They are so comfortable. You guys can see I've used it completely. I don't know whether camera is able to show you. Like, I've used it completely. I've scooped out all the product from this lipstick because it doesn't suit me, but still I use it how I like to use it. It is so good for layering. लाइक आप इसको पहले यूज करके इसके ऊपर कोई लिपस्टिक लगाए तो भी चल जाता है. अगर आप कोई और लिपस्टिक लगा के इसको और लेयर करते हो तो भी चल जाता है. लाइक टू लाइटन योर डार्कर लिपस्टिक्स और फॉर द लॉन्जेविटी, as you guys already know, I always layer my lipsticks, so that way my lipstick lasts longer. So कोई भी अगर लाइटर शेड है या फिर बहुत ही ज्यादा वार्म टोन शेड है, उसको मैं थोड़ा कूल टोन करना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं इसको ये लगाती थी. तो ये इतना अच्छे से मेरे लिप्स पे काफी टाइम तक रहता है. doesn't make your lips look crusty, it doesn't make your lips uncomfortable, and the longevity is really good as well. So but if anyone is lighter than me or belongs to a fair complexion, they can use this lipstick on their own. So this is the swatch. Yeah. So this is a cool tone, pale pink or brown shade. I would say it's very pale. Even with the lip liner, this shade on its own did not look good on me. It washed out because it's very pale. Plus, it's cool tone. So anyone of fair skin tone can enjoy this lipstick on its own. But if you guys haven't tried out these Love Earth lipstick, I think you should definitely try out. I think they also come in a mini version, so I think I'm gonna pick a few more shades from the mini range. But yeah, I mean, I really wanted to give a shout out to this lipstick. This lipstick is amazing. Then the next lipstick I finished out is from Cuffs and Lashes. This is in the shade Bear Doodle. These are the mini lipsticks. I think I featured this lipstick in the product regrets video as well. This is a creamy lipstick. I did not first of all like the packaging. Packaging was very फ्लिम्जी. अब जब ये एप्लीकेशन करते हो तो ये बुलेट बार बार अंदर जाता रहता है. इट्स वेरी फ्लिम्जी पैकेजिंग. प्लस दिस इज अ क्रीमी लिपस्टिक. इट यूज टू ट्रांसफर एवरीवेयर. फॉर मी फॉर वर्क में मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा चलता नहीं है. प्लस दिस शेड इन पर्टिकुलर बेयर डूडल हैज अ पर्पल अंडरटोन. इट वाज नॉट माय फेवरेट शेड एज वेल. सो लेट मी गिव यू अ स्वॉच. थोड़ा you guys can see I've finished it. So this is the shade. How I use this, as you guys know, I always finish all my lipsticks no matter what. How I like to use this is I used to pair this lipstick with another transfer proof lipstick, so that way ये काफी टाइम तक टिक भी जाता था और comfortable भी होता था. Because it's a creamy lipstick, it's comfortable. I used to even pair this lipstick together with this, क्योंकि ये पर्पल अंडरटोन है और ये एकदम पेल कूल टोन टोन्स है. दोनों भी कूल टोन्स है, तो दोनों भी साथ में पेयर अप हो जाता था. और ये थोड़ा डार्क पर्पली ब्राइट लगता था. दिस यूज टू मेक इट म्यूटेड, सो आई यूज टू गेट अ ML baby sort of a shade. तो ये दोनों, you guys can see this and this, they both belong to same sort of color family and they both used to pair up very nicely और मुझ पे काफी अच्छा दिखता था और काफी long lasting भी होता था. So that's how I managed to finish this lipstick. Then the next product is the Moody perfume. This is the Woodland Blossom. ये चौथा perfume मेरा बचा था. I think I've made a full review on these perfumes. These perfumes are my favorite, especially this shade. This shade is so good. It is slightly fruity and it has little bit of musk also going on. This is Woodland Blossom. It's one of my favorite perfume of the quad that you get. This is 20 ml. Unfortunately, they do not come in a single variant. If they were coming, I would have definitely picked this in full size. They come in only 20 ml and in a quad. But nevertheless, this perfume is very nice and it pretty lasted long also, like 4 to 5 hours तक काफी अच्छे से long last कर देता है. ये traveling के लिए भी बहुत easy है. You can just put this in your work bag and you can spritz it. इतना कुछ hassle नहीं है. So that's that. Then the last product is the sunscreen. How can my product empty be over with no sunscreen? So this is the hyaluronic acid aqua gel sunscreen from Dermaco. You guys already know I love this sunscreen. I repurchased it. इसको मैं हमेशा काट के use करती हूँ. So you guys can see I've already repurchased it. It's a fuller tube. I'm gonna like start using from today. इसके बारे में मैंने काफी बोल चुकी है. This is a rave product. Everyone loves this sunscreen. So that's that. So we have come to the end of the video. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you found it helpful, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. Also, please do leave comments in the comment section below as in like what type of content you guys want to see next. So I would definitely be obliged to do that video. I don't know about you guys. I love watching product reviews video because influencers जो है वो paid promotion तक कर लेते हैं. They feature any product and because it's either a paid collaboration, paid promotion, whatever. But if an influencer is able to manage to finish the products completely, that means that product definitely stood out for them. So that's the reason I always trust Product MT's video, no matter like what kind of influencer. I always watch Product MT's video because I feel there's some truth going on in the Product MT's videos. So that's the reason I love making these videos, and I think that's the reason you guys also love watching it. So with that put out, let me take off right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye bye.